Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've sat down with you guys and filmed a makeup tutorial, but today's the day. I'm filming this glowy summer makeup tutorial. The best thing about this tutorial is that it's going to be all drugstore products. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look with affordable products, then keep on watching. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rebecca. By leaving me a big thumbs up before you go, it just lets me know if you guys like this video and if you guys want to see more content like this. So without further ado, let's just get right into this. My first step in my summer glowy makeup routine is this Beam Team Bronze Hydrate and Glow. This one is the Estee Edit. So as you can see, it's already made me look a little bit more bronzed and a little bit more glowy. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into foundation. Today I'm gonna be using a all-time fave foundation of mine. This one is by Wet n Wild. It's the Photo Focus foundation, and I am in the shade Cream Beige. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some bronzer, some cream bronzer. So today I'm going to be using also the Wet n Wild, and this is the Photo Focus Stick Foundation, and I'm in the shade Almond. So it's this brush right here. This is their ultimate blending brush, and it's amazing. Okay, so once that's all blended, I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer, and today we're going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer Corrector. I look crazy. So we're going to go ahead and blend this all out. Give you guys a little bit of a life update. So I'm actually going with a friend to try on some more wedding dresses. If you guys didn't know, I'm on the hunt. I got engaged about a year ago. We are planning a wedding, so I am a little bit late on the wedding dress, picking my wedding dress, but honestly, I started pretty early. I just can't find the one. I really thought it would be different. I thought that I would put on a dress and be like, yes, this is it, it's done, we're good, purchase it, and on to the next. But I haven't been so lucky in that matter, so I decided I'm just not gonna settle. I'm gonna try and find the one and find the dress that really does have all the qualities and little details that I just love and I want. We shall see how it goes. I'm gonna try and vlog it today just so that I can share with you all how it goes. And hopefully we find the one. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set all of this concealer on my face. So I am gonna use one of my favorite drugstore loose setting powders, and this is the Made Fit Me loose powder, and this one is in the shade Fair Claire. That's done. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off right away, just because I feel that this one you can't really bake with because it kind of stays on your face a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use another drugstore brush, and this is the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. This one is my fave, I love it. Bronzer today, I'm gonna go ahead and use the LA Girl Pro Face Bronzer, and this one is in the shade Warm Caramel. This is another one of my fave summer bronzers. It just makes you look super golden and just super bronzed. Now this is not a drugstore blush, but it's just my go-to, my fave lately, so This is the Bobbi Brown blush, and it is the Glow to Blush and Illuminate palette. This is what it looks like. So it just comes with a blush, and then in here it came with like a liquid highlighter. And the blush is in the shade French Pink. So I'm going to apply it on the same brush. Drugstore brow pencil. This is the ColourPop Brow Boss, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. This is what it looks like. Then we're going to go ahead and move to shadows, and today I'm using another Wet n Wild product. This is the Not a Basic Peach palette, eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. Love these colors, and it's just a really great go-to palette for summer especially, and it was really affordable. So I'm going to go into this color right here. It's like a darker, kind of like an auburn brown. And I'm just gonna work this into my crease. So I'm just gonna take this color right here and pop that into the center. And also kind of set that concealer that we had put up here. And I'm also going to bring it down a little bit just to blend out that crease color that we put in. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the other side of the brush. I'm going to grab that transition shade that we had put in here, pop a little bit on the brush, and just work that underneath. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this darker brown shade here, and I'm going to pop that just right on the outer edge of my eye. The next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to curl my lashes and prep them for falsies. Okay, so mascara, I'm going to be using I believe this is a L'Oreal mascara. This is the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara. This is what it looks like. This is like the dual end. One is a straight brush, the other one is kind of like a curved brush. I personally love the straight brush, so I just use that for both upper and lower lashes. Okay guys, I'm back. Lashes are on. I actually went ahead and blow dried my hair just to get this process moving because I'm a little late, so I'm just rushing just a little bit. So the next step we have is I'm going to put on some lips, and I am going to put on the NYX lip liner in the shade Brown. This is my favorite lip liner, especially when I'm doing a nude combo. This is not drugstore, but this is one of my fave nude lipsticks, and this is what it looks like. This one is in the shade called Stripped. I do have a dupe for it, drugstore dupe for it, that you guys have seen this a lot on my channel. I love it, but I just decided to wear this one today. But same thing, it's a little bit lighter, but it is amazing. I love it. It makes your lips look, it's just a perfect nude, and it also kind of moisturizes your lips. Sometimes I feel like when I wear lipsticks, my lips kind of dry out. So this one is in the shade Matte Innocence. This is by Milani. Isn't that just like the perfect nude? I think it's just so perfect. I love it. I think it goes really well with this neutral makeup look, summer makeup look. I think it also goes well with my skin tone. So it's just perfect all around. I love it. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Matte Innocence just to show you guys what it looks like. So it's almost identical to the MAC one. Super pretty. Then I'm actually gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of gloss just in the center of my lips. That's just a staple in a summer glowy makeup look. This is the Fenty Gloss Balm. My go-to, not drugstore, but I just can't find a better one. This is not new to the game, but it's the game, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna use my highlighter brush. This is the Real Techniques setting brush. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. And voila, that is the finished makeup look. So that is what we're looking like, super bronze, super glowy. I'm headed out to go dress shopping, so wish me luck. Thank you so much again for watching my videos and the support. I know it's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial, so I really wanted to sit down today and just film one and just get it done. So here it is. I hope you loved it, and on your way out, don't forget to subscribe down below and leave me a big thumbs up. See you in my next one.